Hi, I believe that God speaks to us when we cook. Have you ever had that experience where you're putting together something and you get a little life lesson, or the ingredients that you're using, you see an analogy that you can relate to life? I get it all the time. So one early experience was I was making something with garlic, and I had put a clove of garlic into a garlic press, and when I went like that, I thought, oh, you know what? I am that clove of garlic, and me being pressed through this garlic press is one of life's crushing experiences, literally. It could be a divorce, a loss of a job, or not getting something that you wanted. And I realized that there's a lot of stuff left in this garlic press. Can you see? And that's part of my lesson too. And I realized that I need to dig it out. I need to get every part of that lesson out, because if I don't look at it and explore it and learn from it, guess what? I'm gonna get that lesson again and again and again until I really get it, until I learn it. So, for example, if it's a divorce, you go through that horrible experience, and when you're digging yourself all of that lesson out, that's when you ask yourself, where's my responsibility in that? How did I play a part of that? So that's just one way that God talks to me while I cook. And just when I was doing this morning, getting this ready, I thought to myself, well, what happens if this, representing me, if I go through a life experience and I still have that outer shell on? Well, it's not going to work very well. It's going to be more difficult, right? I'm not going to get the whole lesson. Nothing really comes out. And so it came to me that that outer shell, that skin on the garlic, that prevents us sometimes from learning, could be pride. So that was just another little bite of wisdom that came to me while I was doing this video. So how about you? Do you learn anything while you cook? I'd love to hear what you learn, or what your experiences are, how you feel you can connect to God through food. Okay, take care. Oh, by the way, my name is Miley. Forgot to introduce myself. My name is Miley Andrus-Price, and I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, take care. Bye.